everyone, welcome to Math English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, I'm going to share a fact on the topic, Know It Now. Before that, I'm going to ask you a question. If you know the answer, please pause the video and post it in the comment section. How many alphabets are there in English? I repeat, how many alphabets are there in English? Okay, shall we check your answer? Yes, the answer is 1. There is only one alphabet in English. Are you shocked to hear this? Believe it or not, this is the fact. In general, English alphabet is a collection of 26 letters. Little confusing, right? I can give you a real-time example for this. Assume that you have a pizza and there are 8 pieces in the pizza. As there are 8 pieces in the pizza, it doesn't mean that there are 8 pizzas with you. In the same way, as there are 26 letters, it doesn't mean that there are 26 alphabets. There is only one alphabet and it consists of those 26 letters. Hope you are very clear now, friends. See you soon with a new concept. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Maths English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat.